Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and this is the third part of this KBC series and the last part. So in this video, let's see what we will see first. So first I will show you how to add this background music also. Then we will see how to add this clock music in background, and also we will see how to add this timer also. Well, before starting video, let me say you that this is the copyright free music, so you can use it completely. Then let's say, let me select this. Then you can see animation has it gone upwards. When you will give the right answers, this point bar will go upward and upward, so we have to do this animation also. So this animation, background music, and this timer, so these three things we will see in this last video. So now let's continue. And one more thing I want to show you. Now see, I have selected this wrong, and you can hear. So this wrong quiz KBC sound, we will also add this. I will also show you how to add that. Okay, so now let's start. So here I have opened our KBC video which we were making so in the last video. So now let me first tell you that if you have not seen the first two videos, then please see them. It is very much important. Now I have opened this selection pen. Okay, so first I will open this second slide. I will hide this end game screen. Then again in this I will hide this. Okay, in the both I will hide this because I have to show this animation first. So first what we will say, I will just right click and say send to back. I will move to slide 2, and we will again just with my keyboard arrow keys I will just move it upside. Okay, and then right click and say send to back. Okay, now we will go in transition and apply morph. And you can see the animation works. So this way we have to do for every slide. How much slide you have, see, first make one slide, then duplicate it, and then only apply this, otherwise the morph animation will not work. So you have to make first one slide, complete slide of KBC, then you have to duplicate it, and you have to change the option as I told in the last video. Okay, so this is very much important for morph transition. If you are applying morph transition, duplicate this slide only. So prepare this slide first, okay, then duplicate it. So similarly we will apply the morph for this. Well, I will show everything in this 2 only, so I am deleting this. Okay, we will see this 2 slides only. So you have to this way only move this upward and upward and apply the morph. Okay, so now we will see about the timer. Okay, so now we will first add this design for countdown watch. Now let's see how to make this countdown watch. For that you have to go in basic shapes, then select this chord, click it over here, keep it as it is, just rotate it, but this chord should be parallel to this line, keep it in mind. Then with your keyboard arrow keys just bring it in middle. Okay, now right click and say send to back. Great, now select this shape, then I will go in home, select format painter and just click on it to format its value. Done. Now we will just see this text box, just add it font white color, and if you want you can add this font size also, but I am keeping it same. So one, I will just make it white color and say align it center. Just make it bigger so we can drag it easily. Now just bring it in middle. Now just adjust it with your keyboard arrow keys. Okay, done. Now I will first apply this number 1, the animation, and then we will apply the same animation for rest also. I will just duplicate and the animation will be also duplicated. Okay, let's see what I am doing now. I will open the selection pen. I will just write here number 1. Now it is not compulsory for you to do this, but for your understanding I am doing this. Okay, number 1, again in animation I will open animation pen. Now see carefully this animation. You have to select this. First go in appear, then in duration you will select 0.01. Okay, then you will again go in add animation. Okay, then go on disappear. Okay, then with previous. Okay, with previous and delay of 1 second. Carefully listen, I am repeating again. First you will go in appear, then duration of 0.01. Okay, then again you will go in add animation, then fourth you will select this disappear, which is this, and fifth step you will make this of delay of 1 second, and sixth step you will say it with previous. Okay, you have to do it, then only this animation will work out. Now again I am selecting this. Okay, and just I will press Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Okay, now here I will write number 2. Okay, now we have to just go on duplicating this and just changing the number. Again duplicate. I think you must be not comfortable to understand what I am doing, so I am just hiding everything and just unhiding these numbers. Now you can get a clear view. You have to just change the number. Okay, let me again zoom in also. Okay, so this is number 3, we will make it number 3. Then this is number 4, I will make it number 4. Again I will click it, I will duplicate it. Again you can see here the animation is automatically getting added, and just you have to change your number also here. Number 5. Again I will change here number 5. Now you have to not give naming for this. I am just giving for your better understanding. This is not compulsory step for you. You have to just carefully change the number from here. Again duplicate it. Now again select number 6. Well, I will add number till only 10. That means our stopwatch or countdown watch will be only of 10 seconds. I am keeping it short so that you will also understand it. Okay, so done. Now see here carefully. Okay, now see here what you have to just select these numbers which are on click. You can see this mouse icon, just click it. Okay, just select it, press and hold your control key and just go on selecting these numbers which are on click. You can see this mouse icon and just go here and say after previous, and the animation is done for countdown watch. Okay, now we have to just align this. I will select this, just go in home, go in arrange, align center, arrange, align middle. Done. Now I will just say show all. Okay, just I will hide this end game. Okay, show all. Now let me select this. Okay, now with your arrow keys just move it upward. So you have to do this with your arrow keys. And done. Great. Now let's see how it's work. Beautiful. You can see the beautiful countdown watch is working very correctly. Okay, so now we will see how to add this end game slide also. When the timer will over, this end game slide should be seen over here. So for that we will again select this end game slide, go in animation, let's say add animation. See, we will go in add animation because we have already given it animation before, so we cannot give it again. We have to give it from here only. Add animation, again just say appear animation from here, and this time right click it in and say start after previous. Okay, beautiful. Now let's see how to add background music. Okay, so to show you background music, I am also deleting this. We only want this 2 slides. So for background music which are copyright free, we will just open our Chrome browser and let's see how to download. I will show you downloading at live. So here our browser is open. Now we will just say Kbc copyright free download. Well, I will give you these links also in the description box, but I will show you also. Then you have to go in https mockup.net, okay, to download this Kbc ringtones. Now we require 3 musics, that is first Kbc theme, then Kbc clock, and then wrong Kbc, which you have to type specially, it does not pop up easily. Wrong Kbc sound. See, wrong answer sound. So you have to download these 3. I will give these links in description. How you have to download? Just click on download, then scroll down and say download mp3 for Android. Okay, this ad, just close it, and you can see it is downloading. Okay, so now this way you have to download this. Now let's come back to a presentation. So now what you have to do, you have to just open your file manager or file explorer or whatever. So then you have to go in your downloads. In the download section you will find these 3 musics. So first we will see Kbc theme. Okay, so I will just right click, or you can just press Ctrl+C to copy it. Just copy it, then I will press Ctrl+V to paste it, and done. You can now hear it. Okay, let's see how to give it animation. Okay, so now you can keep it anywhere. Okay, so now you have to just say with previous. Okay, that means it will be now start automatically. Now we will go in playback, and in playback you can see here hide during show. Just click on it. Okay, you have to make this enable. So now let's give sound for this. Then let me open the selection pane. Now I will just hide this. Again we will go in our file manager. Let's insert Kbc clock theme. Now this time I will press Ctrl+C to copy. Again in presentation, Ctrl+V to paste it. Okay, then you can even check that from here. Okay, just bring it upside. Okay, what I have done, I will just select it and hold my mouse button and just move it up and down to drag it. Okay, again for this also, go in playback, select hide during show. Again we will add another music, which is KBC wrong answer. This will play when you give wrong answer. Ctrl plus V to paste. I will just move it here. Okay, KBC wrong. Now let me just unhide this endgame slide. Okay, now this we will say with previous. Okay, just go in animation and say with previous. Okay, again what we have to do now, since this end game is also triggered with this all, so we will just go on add animations and just say play. Okay, and just you have to click it, select it and hold it with your mouse and just bring it below end game. Just right click and say start with previous. Okay, similarly you have to do this for this also. You can just copy paste it, or you can just go on add animations as you wish. One more time. Okay, so I will just move it below. Remember, you have to not move this sound below the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay, again just say start with previous. One thing is remaining, that is to check everything they are hidden or not. See, hide during show. So there was one mistake. Let's figure it out. You have to just select it and just say bring to front. We forgot to do that. Okay, now one more thing you can do here is open the animation pen and this KBC clock, just say with previous. Okay, now it will automatically begin. So now you have to not click 2 times. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it is going. Now let me click on start. Okay, now let us see what happens when this timer gets over. 9, 10. Great, it is also working perfectly. So with this we have completed our KBC game. So please like for this series. I have worked a lot. Okay, thank you very much for watching this series patiently. I hope you have no doubts, but if you face any doubts, then please consult me. I will solve that doubt on Instagram or comment section, wherever you will find it suitable. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.